Alright guys, so if you're using Proton Drive in 2026, there are a few features and improvements you definitely don't want to miss. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to upload and manage, share them securely your photos, and use offline access, take advantage of the latest improvements. So first up, as you see in the Proton Drive, you obviously have to log in into your account, and I've logged in and this is my free Proton Drive. I don't have any upgrade version. So you can use Drive directly from your browser or through the Windows, Mac, iPhone, and Android apps. Once you're inside, you'll find your files and folders in My Files. So right over here, I don't have anything uploaded, but you'll see the option of your files and uploaded files. To upload something, click on the plus new right over here. So if you press on this, you'll see the option of files. So it's very basic. So if you just need to curse and upload file. So right over here, you need to find the file that you need to upload. So let's say I want to upload a video clip or anything like that. So let's say I want to upload this video right over here. So if I just press on it, here it's going to be in progress and it's just going to get uploaded in a few seconds. So you can organize everything into folders just like you would do with other cloud services. So one of Proton Drive's most useful features is secure file sharing. So if you want to share a file, you can select a file or folder that you would like to share. You can either invite specific people by email or create public sharing link. With a public link, you can choose between viewer and editor access. You can also open the link settings and add a password or expiration date for extra protection. And if you change your mind later, go to the shared section over here. And in the shared section, you can stop sharing and revoke access. So you can also back up your photos. If you use Proton Drive on your phone, you can automatically back up your photos and videos. Open Photos section on the Proton Drive, and right over here, uh, you can just directly upload your photos to your secure cloud storage. You can also organize your photos into albums, mark favorite, and share individual photos or entire collection. You can use file offline. If you need access to something without an internet on mobile, just tap on three dots. So in mobile, it's obviously going to be different, but I'm just going to explain it how it works. You can just tap on three dots to to a file. So right over here, as you can see, the specific file, if we see it on mobile, you'll see three dots as well. So if you press on it, you'll see the option of make available offline. So obviously, I don't have the option on PC right over here because obviously on PC you cannot directly access the website without internet, but you can find your offline files from the available offline section on your phone. This is especially useful for documents, travel files, and anything you'll need without reliable internet. So what's new in 2026? Proton rebuilt the technology, power drive, and making upload 3 times faster, download up to 2 times faster. Photos and files should also load more smoothly, while Proton says the new system improves encryption performance and reduces battery drain on mobile devices. So if Proton Drive has felt slow in the past, it's worth giving another try. That's it. That's the quick tour of Proton Drive in 2026. You can store your files, share them securely, automatically back your photos, access files offline, take advantage of the new performance improvement, all while keeping Proton's focus on end-to-end encryption. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.